Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 4.2 for class 8. This is chapter practical geometry. We have already done exercise 4.1. If you haven't checked out that video, the link is above. Go and see immediately. So let's start. So in the previous exercise, we were given with 4 sides and 1 diagonal. In this exercise, we are given with 2 diagonals and 3 sides. Now how we are going to use all these things in our making of quadrilateral, we will see here. So let's make a quadrilateral first. The first question is, you have to make the quadrilateral lift and different measurements are given. And what are these measurements? These are 2 diagonals and 3 sides. Fine. So let's make any quadrilateral first. So this is my quadrilateral. It can be of any shape: L, I, F and T. Fine. So let's write down what is given to me. This is Li is 4, IF is 3, TL. This TL is 2.5, LF. This is LF. This is 4.5 and IT, that means another diagonal, and this one is given to me 4 centimeter. Fine. So now we will see how we are going to make it. First, I will start with one diagonal whose both sides are given, so that I can make a triangle out of that. Let's make a line of 4.5 centimeter first. So this is my line which is 4.5 centimeter. And the name of this line is LF, L and F. This is 4.5 centimeter. Now from this I am going to make a triangle, this one, L, F and I. For that I will open my compass first 4 centimeter. This is my compass 4 centimeter, and from L I am going to make an arc in the downward direction. Then again 3 centimeter and make an arc again 3 centimeter. Fine. So now make, this is your point I. You can join these 2 points. So this was your 3 centimeter and this was your 4 centimeter. Now what next is given to me? 4 centimeter diagonal. So I will open up my compass 4 centimeter, and from here, because diagonal is going to be from this only, I am going to make an arc of 4 centimeter. Then this one I made this arc of 4 centimeter. Now 2.5 one is left, so this is 2.5 and here it goes. Fine. Now join these 2 lines. So this one is my 4.4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter, and another line that I have made is, this one is 2.5 centimeter, and the point which I have got is T point. Now if I join T and F, I will get my quadrilateral. So this is your quadrilateral required one. This is your lift, LIFT. So first make a line of 4.5 centimeter. Then from L make an arc of 4 centimeter. From F make an arc of 3 centimeter. Make the triangle LIF. From point I in the opposite direction make an arc of 4 centimeter. From L make an arc of 2.5 centimeter. Make the triangle LTI, and in the last join the points T and F to get the quadrilateral LI, F and T. Fine. So this was your question. Now next is this one. Again you have to make a quadrilateral gold. So let's make a quadrilateral. This is my quadrilateral. The name is gold, GOLD. Fine. So what is given here is OL. OL is 7.5. GL, where is GL? This one is GL. This is 6 centimeter. Then I have given with GD 6 centimeter, LD 5 centimeter and OD, this is OD this is 10 centimeter. So I'll start with 10 centimeter line here because it is the biggest one. I'll keep it in between. So let me take a line of 10 centimeter. It's a big line. Okay, don't worry. So this is my line which is of 10 centimeter. Fine. The name of this is D. You can check, this is D and O. Now which triangle which is the one triangle which I am having complete, this one. Fine. So I'll make this triangle first. So first I'll open up my compass 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. So this is from point O. From point O I am going to make an arc of 7.5 centimeter, then 5 centimeter, this one 5. So from point D it is 5. Now join these 2 points. This is L point. Fine. So now I am going to join them too. So this is 7.5 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, and this is 10 centimeter. Fine. Now what we will do, we'll open up. Now we have to draw the another side. We have done the upper side. Now I'll go for the lower side. Now open up your compass 6 centimeter. So this is my 6 centimeter. From point L, you can see this, from point L you just make an arc in the downward direction, and again from point D 6 centimeter again. So from point D cut it equal to 6 centimeter. So which two lines we have made? We have made this line. This is your 6 centimeter, and we have made this line, and this is also 6 centimeter. Now what I am left with, this is your point G. Fine. So now join G and O. So here it goes. I have joined G and O, and my quadrilateral gold is done. GOLD. Fine. So don't forget to write all the measurements, and the naming should be proper. Now last part of this, we'll have to make a rhombus bend. So let's make a rhombus first. This is going to be my rhombus, in which this is B, E, N, D, and what we are given? We are given this 5.6, and this one DE we are given with 6.5. So I'll start with the biggest line, largest line. So let's do, this is our rhombus. You know that all the sides of a rhombus remains equal. Fine. So this is my line 6.5. This is 6.5, and I'll name it as, this is 6.5, this will be D and E. Now I'll have to bisect it, because you know that in case of a rhombus, diagonals bisect each other. So bisecting it, open your compass more than half. This somewhere here it will be half. I have opened my compass more than half. Make an arc on both sides, upper and downward side, and from point D also do the same thing, this one and this one. Now join these 2 points. I am going to join these 2 points. Let's do. Yeah. Fine. So we have bisected these 2 points. Now you know that the another diagonal is 5.6. If I divide it by 2, I'll get 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16, 2.8. So just open up your compass 2.8. So this is 2.8. Now keep your pointer in the mid. Cut equal distance 2.8 from above and bottom. Fine. So this was your 6.5 centimeter, and I have just made a line of 5.6 centimeter. Now join these 4 sides. So this is your 5.6 centimeter, the whole line. Fine. And this is your B point and N point, B, E, N, D. This is going to be a rhombus. All sides of the rhombus are equal and the diagonals cut each other at perpendicular 90 degree. They cut each other, they bisect each other also. Fine. So, this was your last question of this exercise. I hope you have understood all the questions well. Thank you. Thanks for watching.